What is going on, guys, and welcome to plugins and libraries video. Right, so in this video we're going to look at how we can get a scroll up plugin that if we go all the way to the bottom of our page, we can just click something and it would take us all the way to the top. Now I already have my Bootstrap template, new Bootstrap template set up, so you can see that I have already my jQuery and my JavaScript over here. And also for this plugin, it requires a font awesome. So I included a folder of font awesome. And if you don't know how to get a font awesome folder, or if you don't know how to get this over here, this new Bootstrap template, I have videos for that. So you can just go ahead and check it out. Now, for this plugin, we would need to go to our good old friend Google. And here I'm just going to say scroll to the top jQuery plugin, right? So something like this. And then over here, you can see the jQuery back to the top plugins. So we just press this one over here. And we're just going to make the screen bigger. And you can see actually the first one is the scroll press. And that's the one that we're going to use, right? So we're just going to go ahead. This is going to be saying how we want to use. So we right away just download this one over here. And then we just check it out what we need, right? So over here, we would need a jQuery. This is what they're asking. And after that, they want a scroll press CSS and a scroll press JavaScript, right? So we just copy this. And this is, we're going to place it in the head somewhere. And we're going to say that this is going to be a scroll press CSS. And after that, we just create a new line. We just pass it over here. And after that, we obviously need to delete this because we're going to be placing these files directly. And after that, we go back over here to a GS file. So we just copy this, go all the way to the bottom. And we're going to say that this is going to be a scroll press GS JavaScript. And we're going to paste this one over here. Now we also can right away paste this. You know, this is going to be a function. So we're going to create a script over here like this. And we're going to say that within that script, we're just going to place this function. Now we're not going to be adding a document ready, right, for the jQuery because we already have covered it in a couple of videos. So we're just right away going to add this. But obviously, if we were going to be working with a bigger file, we would need to add this, that the function would start running only when the document is loaded, right? So now that we have all that, let's check it out where we have everything stored, right? So this is our download, right? So we just press it over here and for the source, right? So these are the two files that we need. So we just copy both of them to my Bootstrap folder. And then once we go back, they're already here, right? So there they are. So I'm just going to save this, not over here, but we'll save this, go back to this one, refresh, and if we go all the way to the bottom, it's not here, right? So let's figure out what happened, what went wrong. So we have the CSS one, right? And we also have a scroll press JavaScript, right? But you can see over here I messed it up that I actually have this default source. So now when I save it, it should be here, right? And sure enough, here it is, right? So if we press, we go all the way to the top. And again, scroll back and all the way to the top. Now let's look at a couple of things that we can actually do. You can see that, first of all, it's saying that by default the angle is, you can see that this is the font awesome one. Therefore, they were asking for font awesome, right? Here we can check it out, what kind of option. The background color is white, right? And another thing, interesting thing we can do is we can actually get a duration, right? Duration should be 1000, right? So let's just go to scroll press GS and let's just actually customize all that, right? So let's just start scrolling down and let's find where is our font awesome, right? Let's say angle up, but instead we're going to say far home, right? So we're going to change it from angle up to the home just to see how it looks like. Let's say the background color, we're going to say that this is going to be red. Once we have changed the color to red, we can go all the way back to the top. Over here, you can see the global animation duration. Let's set it to like 4000, right? So let's just save it. And now let's just make this one bigger. So as I scroll down, you can see that I have, instead of a color white, you can see that it's obviously red. Then you can see over here that I have, instead of the arrow, I have a house, right? A different font awesome icon. And obviously once I press it right now, you can see that it's much more slower because I changed this direction, right? So now you can see how we can actually download it, work with it, and customize it. This is going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in